I, George Albert Omore Magoha, having been appointed a Cabinet Secretary in the Government of Kenya, do swear that I will at all times be faithful to the Republic of Kenya, that I will obey, respect, uphold this Constitution of Kenya and all other laws of the Republic, and that I will perform the functions of my office conscientiously and to the best of my ability. So help me God.
And I'm really counting on you being able to work together with your colleagues and myself to ensure that we deliver to the people of Kenya. For you, my friend, you are a long-standing, long-serving civil servant. Again, there is nothing new that I have to tell you. You are aware. Our interest is to ensure that the prison services is properly reformed. We want to ensure that the service is largely and primarily not to punish, but to rehabilitate.